Hey there, sexy people. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep, sometimes really deep, into the conversations that matter but don't always get the attention they deserve. Today, we're stripping away the myths, breaking the taboos, and getting real about anal sex. Some people are curious, some are nervous, and some are straight up dying to try it but don't know where to start. So let's talk about it. Is it safe? Is it pleasurable? Or is it just misunderstood? Well, by the time we're done here, you'll have the answers, plus a game-changing tip at the end of this video that could completely transform your experience. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Before we dive in, pun totally intended, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below telling me what sex and pleasure topics you want me to explore next. Your curiosity fuels this space, and let's be real, there's no such thing as a bad question when it comes to pleasure. Alright, now let's get into it. What's the big deal? Understanding anal play. Let's start with the basics. Anal sex and anal play involve stimulation or penetration of the anus, whether with fingers, toys, tongues, or a partner's body. It's been done across cultures for centuries, but modern society still loves to wrap it in shame and mystery. But here's the truth. Anal sex isn't good or bad, it's just an experience. The question is, are you approaching it the right way? Because when done right, it can be intensely pleasurable. The anus is packed with nerve endings that, when stimulated correctly, can lead to deep, toe-curling sensations, yes, for men and women. And if you've heard that anal orgasms aren't real, let's just say, those people haven't been doing it right. But before you go all in, let's talk preparation, because pleasure starts with confidence, and confidence starts with knowledge. Let's talk safety, keeping it hot healthy. Now, let's get real about what can make or break the experience. Because when it's bad, it can be really bad. But when it's good, oh, it's unforgettable. First things first, lube is your best friend. Unlike the vagina, the anus doesn't self-lubricate, so you'll need a high-quality, long-lasting lubricant to make things smooth, slick, and oh so satisfying. Silicone-based lube is perfect for long, slow sessions, while water-based is condom-friendly and great for toys. And let's not forget hygiene. Some people worry about it, and while it's a fair concern, there's no need to go overboard. A quick shower or a gentle rinse is usually enough to feel fresh and confident. Enemas? They're optional, but if they make you feel sexier, go for it. Just don't overdo it, your body already has natural cleansing mechanisms. And of course, protection matters. Condoms aren't just for preventing STIs, they also keep things clean, smooth, and safe. Plus, if you're switching between anal and vaginal play, change the condom first. That's one move your body will definitely thank you for. So now that we've got the safety basics down, let's get into the juicy part, how to actually make anal sex feel incredible. Unlocking maximum pleasure. Tips for a mind-blowing experience. If you're ready to explore, let's make sure it's an experience you'll actually want to repeat. 1. Start slow, build the anticipation. Don't rush straight in, teasing is half the fun. Begin with external stimulation. Gentle touching, caressing, licking, and massaging around the area can heighten sensitivity and anticipation. Let your body crave the next step. 2. Find the right position. Some love doggy style for the deep penetration, while others prefer the side-lying position for more control and comfort. Straddling your partner while they're lying down can also let you control the depth and speed, making it easier to relax and enjoy. 3. Foreplay is everything. You wouldn't skip foreplay for vaginal sex, so why would you for anal? The more aroused you are, the more relaxed your muscles become, which means less resistance and more pleasure. Use fingers, toys, vibrations, oral play, whatever gets you in the mood. 4. Breathe, relax, enjoy the stretch. Your body responds to tension, so if you're clenching up, your experience won't be fun. Deep breathing, a warm bath beforehand, and a slow, controlled pace can make the difference between discomfort and pure bliss. 5. The power of the P-spot, A spot. For men, anal stimulation can awaken the prostate, also called the P-spot, which can lead to earth-shattering orgasms. And for women, the A spot, located deeper inside, can trigger a whole new level of pleasure. Experiment, explore, and see what your body responds to best. Busting the myths. What you need to know. Let's clear up some of the biggest myths surrounding anal sex. Myth number 1. Only certain types of people enjoy anal sex. False. People of all genders and sexualities can experience pleasure from anal play. It's about anatomy, not identity. Myth number 2. It's always painful. Wrong again. Pain happens when there's lack of preparation, lack of lube, or too much tension. When done right, it can feel amazing. Myth number 3. Once you try it, you'll always want it. Nope. It's just like any other sexual act, it's about personal preference. You can explore, enjoy, and decide what works for you. Breaking these myths frees us to enjoy our bodies without fear or shame, because pleasure should be empowering, not guilt-ridden. The game-changing tip you've been waiting for. Now, here's the biggest secret to making anal sex an incredible experience. Right finger focus on connection, not just performance. Forget the pressure to do it right. Forget worrying about what your partner thinks. The key to amazing anal play isn't just technique, it's trust, comfort, and chemistry. When you're completely present in the moment, when you let go of anxiety and focus on sensation, that's when you unlock the real pleasure. So whether you're just exploring, thinking about trying, or already experienced, remember, your pleasure is yours to own. If you loved this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what sexy topic I should cover next. Until next time, take care of yourself, explore boldly, and embrace the pleasure you deserve.